The Parts Player Electric Starter 120-volt model delivers strong cranking power that reliably turns over Tecumseh snowblower and small engine applications in cold weather. Its counterclockwise rotation and 16-tooth gear are correctly matched to many popular Tecumseh engine families, so engagement is smooth and avoids excessive wear on the flywheel. The unit is built with new high-grade components rather than remanufactured parts, which contributes to consistent performance and long service life. Included mounting hardware and the two-hole mounting pattern make installation straightforward for do-it-yourself users, replacing an original starter. The starter draws about 15 amperes at 120 volts, which is appropriate for typical household circuits while still providing brisk motor speed. Overall, this starter is a dependable replacement choice for aging Tecumseh electric start systems, restoring push-button starting convenience without complicated modifications.